Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon live trading session. As usual, this is the session where we'll be making analysis together and then possibly taking entry when we get an opportunity. Okay. So, guys, you see, yesterday I told you guys um, we had, sorry, just a moment. So, yesterday we took three trade on our premium group, and all the three trade went into profit. Yes, all went into massive profit, guys. You see, I keep telling you guys, fund your account. You said no, don't worry. I'm gonna be showing you the three trade we took yesterday. Okay, and I'm very sure anybody from the premium group here can testify to that. So let me just quickly show you the magic we made on the premium group yesterday before we continue our session. All right, we made magic. We made something happen. Okay. I know many of my premium members will probably make a withdrawal today and then go enjoy themselves. Yes. I'm very, very sure. I'm very sure. So let me just bring it up. Just a moment. Just a little moment, yeah. Okay. So now I have it here. So sorry, I can't show you the telegram itself um for some security reasons. Okay. But I'm gonna show you the pictures of the trades we took. All right. So you see, we took this first. Okay. This was our first trade yesterday. Then this was our second trade. Okay. We took GBP USD. We went straight into profit. All right. Then our second trade, I think they were about few minutes when I dropped this. Then I dropped the second one also. Here I used 0.01 and I was still able to make $2.31. The reason why I'm doing this is because I just want you to have the confidence that even with $15 you can make huge amount of money. Okay. So imagine you funded your account with 10 $15 yesterday. Just imagine how much you could have made with your 10 $15. Yes. So this is about 3.5, then 2.3. If you plus this together now, this is like over $5. Yeah. This should be about 5.8, 5.9, if I'm not mistaken. So guys, please go and fund your account. Let's do this together. Okay. The reason why I'm doing all of this is, everything is hard for everybody right now. Okay. I want us to make money together. All right. So this is just a tip of an iceberg. All right. This is one trade. This is two trade. Okay. This is two trades. Then we took another one before evening. We took another one. I just closed the trade this afternoon. Look at this and see how much I was able to acquire from the trade, from the signal. You see, I use 0.1 here. Okay. 13.5, then 14.04. Guys, plus this together, plus and together, may you see how much you go make. Plus and together. So imagine you have up to like maybe say maybe you funded your account with $50, you could have made this, yes. But if you funded up to if you funded 10 $15, okay, imagine making five from the other side. Then maybe plus this one, maybe on this you made $5. That means yesterday you could have doubled your deposit. Okay. So guys, this is it. The money you are funding in your account is not for me. Okay. So if you fund $15 on my live stream, if you fund $10 or $15 on my live stream, I'll add you into my premium group. Okay. All I need from you is just to fund on my live stream. The reason why I want you to fund on my live stream is I'm just doing this now. Okay, I want to see the amount of people that will be serious with this. Okay, I want to make you know make people comfortable financially as as much as I can. Okay, so I want to know the amount of people I'm actually helping. You understand? So if you fund your account with $10 or $15, it's not as if you are paying me to get signal. If you fund your account, the money will be inside your BtcDana trading application. Then when I drop the signal after adding you to the premium group, when I drop signal, then you take the signal also. We all make money together, guys. All right, please. Now, if you want to fund your account, just go to the chat room. Okay, at the top of the chat room, on top of the chat room, you see a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Deposit with benefit. Okay, a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So just click on that banner, then it will take you to where you can fund your account. Guys, fund your account with at least $10 or $15. Now the difference here is, if you fund $10, I'll add you into my premium group for just 2 weeks. That is 14 days. All right. But if you fund up to $15, then I'm going to add you there. You're going to be active on the group for 30 days. That is a month. Okay, and then if you have the power to fund your account up to $200, then you get even more benefit. All right, you get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me where I'll be explaining how I was able to get signal for all of this, how I was able to achieve this. Okay, I'll show you the deep insight of forex analysis, how you'll be able to scale up your profit. Okay, so guys, please, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. You see, money making is very important these days. Okay, even if you have a stream of income, trust me, it's not enough. All right, you need to have multiple. In fact, if you can have 10, it's not bad. Okay, and all of us know if money day forex generally, normally. You understand? So guys, please, let's do this together, okay? So even though we are not live, okay, even though we are not here on live, you can still come to the live chat, okay? You can still go to the chat room. The banner will always be there. Okay, so anytime you are ready, just go there, click on that banner. It will take you to where you can fund your account. Anytime you want to fund your account, go to that banner, go and use that banner. All right, anytime you want to fund, go and use that banner. I'm telling you, once you fund up to $10 or $15, then I'm going to add you into the premium group. It doesn't matter if we are here live or not. Okay, so guys, let's do this. All right, let's do what we are here for today. Let's make analysis and possibly look for a trade entry. So this is euro NZD, and euro NZD is currently sitting on um it's currently on euro NZD is currently on a gap. Okay, remember my gap strategy, the strategy I used to make all this money. I showed you the pictures just now, all the profit I made. Okay, so this is the gap strategy. The gap strategy is a strategy that was invented by ICT. Okay, ICT, inner circle trader, right? So if you know how to use this strategy, trust me, you'll be making lot amount of money. If you know how to use the strategy, in fact, you would be feeling blessed. So that's why I said go and fund the account. Fund the account with at least $200. Then you get the chance to have a one-on-one session with me. And there I'll be teaching you all about my SMC ICT strategy. Okay. So you see, the market is always respecting the gap. See, when this was created, we have this gap. Look what happened. The market reversed, came back into the gap, and then started going down. Okay, left out another gap. The market still came into that gap again before continuing to the downside. Even this also, you see, the market actually came into it, wanted to reverse to the downside for a little while before actually started moving to the upside. Okay, and now the market is currently inside the gap again. So let's just wait and see what this is going to be doing. Okay. But my best guess is I think this market is going to go down. All right. I think this market is going to go down. And the reason is because the market is actually giving us a sell vibe. Okay, the market is giving us a sell vibe. We have change of character here. Then we have this. Yes, I think we can actually sell this market. Yeah. Did I give this to my premium members? Did I give this to my premium members, or I should just give you guys? Yeah. So if you want me to release this, let me know in the chat room below. Okay. Just say, Mr. Dio, please give us this trade. Okay. Anyway, I think I'm going to drop this because I don't think we've had any serious trade this week on this live stream. Okay. So guys, let's sell this trade. Let's sell. Okay. So let me just set. Right. Then the TP will be around here. Yes. TP will be around here. Okay, so if you want to risk this together, if you want us to do this together, okay, just wait. Okay, I'm going to give the signal. I want this market to come back into this zone. All right. I want it to come back here. We don't actually have, so you see how the market was respecting all of this here. See, it respected this first, respected this gap. Okay, you see how this gap was respected here. So that gap was respected there. And then the market came all the way to actually respect this also. Respected the other block. It respected the other block, you see? You see how the other block was respected? The market came down. So now the market is looking for another gap or other block to respect to continue its movement to the downside. Okay. So this is a good trade entry. Okay. This is a premium trade. Honestly, this is a premium trade. See, this is the scope of, if you are here and you are an SMC trader, let me teach you a scope. Okay. I'm not going to teach the SMC strategy from the beginning, but let me give you guys a scope. So the scope is, look at the 4-hour and look what the 4-hour is doing right now. You see, we are on the 4-hour and the market is currently trading on a fair value gap. Okay. So now that the market is on a fair value gap, yeah, anytime the market comes into a fair value gap, the market will always go down. Yeah. So right now that the market is on the fair value gap, what I want to do is I want to drop down to my lower time frame. Let's say maybe the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame, to see if I have a liquidity grab, change of character. Okay. And yes, we do. Okay, we have a liquidity grab here. You see, we have a change of character here. And the market is currently respecting those gaps. And then the market is about to go down. Yeah. So you see, the market is still making a move. It's still making a move. Then we have, okay, so the market respected this. Let's go back to the higher time frame and see why it respected that. So you see, we have this gap here. Then the market came into the gap to respect that. Now, the market continued to go down, honestly. I just want to see what is going to happen here. Then I'm going to place a sell trade. All right. So guys, let me warn you. This is going to be a sell trade and intraday trade. Okay. So it might take some times maybe even up to an hour two before the market plays out. Okay, it could take few hours to play out. So I don't want you um to get scared or get panic. Okay, don't panic over the analysis. Yes, all trade, you not win every trade. Okay, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. But the most important thing is the money you want to be making. Okay, you don't want to lose too much, but you want to make sure that your winning is um your reward is far better than your risk. Okay, so let's see if our trade is going to hit here and then go down. Okay, so right now I have my stop loss here. The reason why I have my stop loss here is because we have this gap also. Even though this market has made all of this, sometimes the market will actually come back here to take this gap. Okay, the market will come back because we have small change of character here on the lower time frame. So let's go to the 1 minute to get a better view of that. You see what I'm talking about? You see, we have this little change of character here. In fact, we have this change of character here. Okay, it's also here. Then we have some short gap here. Okay, though it's not visible on the lower time frame. Okay, the only visible one on the lower time frame is this one, and the market reacted to it. You see how the market came down, yeah? Let's go back to the 5 minutes. And now on the 5 minutes, you see what the market is still doing, yeah? You see what the market is still doing? So let's just wait and see if this is actually going to trigger an entry and then go down. Okay, so if it goes down, then we ride with it. We ride it together. Yes. Oh, okay. Thank you very much for this question. Is that a change of character or break of structure, sir? All right. Oh, wow. Thank you very much. Don't worry. I'll send your regards. All right. Don't worry. He will be. He maybe next week. I'm gonna invite him. All right, to join us again on our live stream. Thank you very much. Okay, so let me re-explain this. Okay, let me re-explain this. You see, this is how I made this analysis. Okay, so since you're asking this question, then I'm sure I want to assume that you are familiar with the SMC concept. Yeah. So here we have a fair value gap. Okay, let me zoom that out. You see, we have a fair value gap here. All right. We have a fair value gap here. You see, we have this first fair value gap. And what happened? You see how the market came back into it and then sold down to the downside. Yes. But when it was selling down, what happened? The market was creating another fair value gap. You see, this is a new fair value gap. And anytime we have a fair value gap on the higher time frame, what I do is I just mark it out. Okay. And you see, the market has been rejecting the fair value gap. Every time the market goes back into the gap, the market will sell to the downside. Every time the market goes into the gap, it will sell to the downside. Then now the market is inside the fair value gap again. All right. So anytime the market comes into the fair value gap this way, what I do is I go to the lower time frame, like the 15 minutes time frame, to check what is happening. Okay. And you see here right now on the 15-minute time frame, on the lower time frame, we have a change of character. Okay. We have a liquidity grab. We have a change of character here. Okay. And then the market actually came back here to retest um, this gap. Okay, the market came back to retest this gap, went down a little bit, came back to retest this gap also. So now I'm, um, predicting that the market will continue to go down since we have all this confirmation and the higher time frame is giving us, a fair value gap on this area. Okay, so that is why I'm anticipating a sell. So this is a change of character, not a break of structure. Okay, it's a change of character. So I hope I was able to answer your question. Thank you very much. If you have more questions, please just let me know. Okay. So you see, so we're going to be looking out for this to see what happens next. Okay. So we have this fair value gap on the 5 minute, but the market never went back inside it. Okay. The market didn't come to this fair value gap. So now that the market is making a move to the upside, let's see where, because the forex market is very funny sometimes. Okay. Sometimes it will just use all of this area as a liquidity zone. Okay. It will induce everybody here. All right. It will go up, take every seller that thinks when the market gets to this area is going to sell. It's going to take everybody up, everybody out, come here, take people here, take people out, take sellers out of here, and then it will come to this area and then just start to sell. All right. But if we get a rejection here, then we are going to start selling from this area, from this zone. All right. Okay. So okay. So yes, this is beautiful. One of these days, I'm going to deposit $200 because I seriously want to know the SMC strategy, and I hope it's worth it, sir. Honestly, I'm telling you, it's worth it. Okay, I'm telling you, it's worth it. And moreover, this $200 you are going to be funding in your account, will be in your account. Okay, then you still be added to my premium group where I'll still be providing you with signal, and then you'll be growing the $200 while you are learning the SMC strategy from me. Okay, and trust me, um, it will be worth it. The SMC strategy is a killer strategy. Honestly, it's a kind of strategy every forex trader wants to learn. Okay, everybody wants to learn it. Everybody wants to know how to trade the SMC strategy. Okay, because you see, it's a better way of viewing the market, right? So even though you already know how to make price action, you already know how to draw your support, resistance, trend line, and all of that stuff. If you combine it with this strategy, trust me, honestly, you are going to be making way amount of profit. Okay, your profit ratio will be higher, very much higher. All right. So if you the way I add it, my profit ratio is about 70 to 85%. So just imagine that if you have 70 to 85% winning rate, honestly, you are done in the forex market. Okay, you are done in the forex market. So guys, please. So right now you see what the market is still doing. So let's just wait for it to break this, and then let's see if it's going to induce people here. Okay. You see what I said about the inducement? The market will most time induce people, all right? Induce sellers here, maybe induce sellers here also, then come all the way here to take out this gap before selling to the downside. Okay, we have the gap here, then we have this other block around this area. So that is it. And you see what the market is doing, yeah? So that is why, as an ICT trader, as an SMC trader, you want to make sure that you are taking the um, uh, the fair value gap on the premium or the discounted level. Okay, the premium is the top. When we have a gap in the premium, you want to sell. Okay, then when we have a gap on the discount, you want to buy. So right now, if I should mark this line from here to, okay, so let me just do that. But I already gauged it with my Koro eye. Okay, so you see, if I should gauge it now, I can't sell from here because the market is, this is my 50%. Okay, this is my 50%. So if I want to gauge it, you see, gauging it now, the market is still under my discounted zone. I don't sell from discounted zone. Okay, I want the market to come to my premium zone for me to sell from the premium. All right. So that is SMC strategy for you guys. You see what I said? The market came to this inducement level, and then it's going down. But trust me, this market will still break here. Okay, it will still break this because it's an SEC strategy. So it's always looking for traps where there are a lot of sellers. Then it will make a move as if he wants to sell. Then it will just induce them, take them out of the market. All right. So let's look for another market to analyze for now. Then we continue. We go back to check that. Okay. So you see this market also. We have this gap, but this is the 5 minutes. So let's go to a higher time frame where we can get a better entry. Okay. Yeah, I think we took this trade earlier this week, or I don't know, and the market went straight into profit. Okay, you see, market went straight into profit. So this is good. All right, so the market broke out and then continued to go down, right? So this is 4 hour, sorry, 1 hour liquidity sweep. Okay, sweep liquidity here. You see how it swept liquidity, the market went above then before coming to the downside. Okay, so let's use this. Since this is lower, let's not use this. So we have a change of character here. We have this huge change of character, and this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, then we have this huge gap. Okay, so we have this huge gap, and this gap is on the premium area. And what do we do on the premium? We want to sell. Okay, so I also have a Fibonacci tool that I also use for this. So when I have my liquidity sweep this way, I'll draw my Fibonacci, okay, from the top to the bottom of the current trade. That is if I have a low, okay. Then you see what my Fibonacci is telling me. The Fibonacci is saying the market to come to this area to sell. All right. But you can't just use the Fibonacci if you don't know how to, look at the market for how it is. So right now I'm waiting for this market to come into this area. So this is the sell area. All right. Okay, beautiful question. Please, Is there difference between SMC and ICT strategy, and which one is better? Okay, so you see, a lot of people has been mistaking this SMC and ICT. Now, guys, let me break it down for you. SMC, ICT. ICT is the person that developed SMC. Okay, ICT is the person that developed the SMC strategy. ICT is not a strategy. SMC is the strategy. The person that created the SMC is ICT. And the meaning of ICT is inner circle traders. Okay, sorry, inner circle trader, not traders. Okay, the inner circle trader. So he was the one that invented the SMC strategy. Okay, so nowadays you see many mentors that doesn't even know where the SMC came about. They will just be telling you lies. Yes, ICT strategy, SMC strategy. They don't even know what they are talking about. Okay, there's nothing like ICT strategy. Yes, the ICT strategy is the SMC. Okay, because that is the strategy ICT invented. All right. So, but when some people will say the ICT way of trading. So when they say the ICT way of trading, they are still talking about SMC, because SMC was the strategy invented by ICT. Okay, so I hope we are clear. So if you want to learn the SM, if you want to learn, it is the SMC you are learning. Okay, yes, it is the ICT way of trading, because the person that invented it is ICT. That is the name he called himself. All right, ICT. Strategy name is the SMC strategy. Okay, developed by the ICT. So there's really no difference. Okay, there's no difference at all. Okay, because if I tell you I'm going to teach you the ICT strategy, I'm talking about the SMC. Okay, if I say come and learn SMC, I'm talking about the strategy that was invented by ICT. So it's the same thing. All right. So this is our gap, and we are expecting this market to come all the way back into this gap and sell. Okay. So even though this doesn't happen today, trust me, it's still going to happen. Okay, the market will always come back into a gap. So let's say the market comes into the 50% this way, and then starts doing this. Okay, maybe come all the way down here, or even continue to go to the downside. Okay, so this is what the market is going to do. This market, trust me, to come back here, the market will always come back to fill this gap, even though it doesn't come now, even though it doesn't come, because this is Friday. Okay, and you know we are always careful trading on the Friday, because the market closing, you see, Mondays and Fridays, they are very volatile. All right. It's just like when someone is preparing for the weekend. All right. So that is how the market, the forex market, also works. If you are preparing for the weekend, you want to make sure that everything is perfect before Saturday. Maybe you have somewhere you are preparing to go on Saturday. Okay. So the all the movement that, all the incomplete movements that happen over the weekdays, they have to be completed during the Friday. Okay, because the market is going to close by 10 p.m. Nigerian time. So when that happens, um, the market would, usually get be volatile on Fridays. Then on Monday, the market continuation is also going to be volatile, because the incomplete movement that was rushed on Friday will start, you know, trying to expand itself on Monday. So that is why you see most traders, most professional traders, they will tell you, I don't trade on Monday. Okay. And even on Friday, they will tell you I trade very early. So once I'm out of the market, maybe I made a little profit or a small loss, they go out of the market and they don't trade until evening anymore. All right. So those are just the small little secrets in the forex market that I'm sharing with you guys. Guys, we need to pay. Oh. I'm giving you all this information for free. Just kidding, yeah. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's go back to the Euro NZD. Let's see what is happening there. So you see, we got a rejection, but the rejection. Okay. let's just wait and see what is going to happen here. Okay, let's wait and see what is going to happen, because there's no fair value gap here, but this market came here to test this anyways. So let's see what is going to happen. Okay, but you see the scope there, you see we can actually take this trade and set our stop loss here, because even though the market comes to this fair value gap, we are still going to make profit. Okay, but I'm just doing this because of I know some of us will be here with low balance. Okay, maybe around $10-15. So that kind of situation where maybe the market start moving, giving us a drawdown, then the market comes to this area here. Okay, maybe when the market got here, you start seeing -2, -2.5. Then you start getting scared. Hey, I'm losing 2.5 already. Is this market going to come? Then you go and close the trade. Then later, you just see me posting, the trade we took in the live stream came. You understand? You know that feeling? It's not a good feeling, yeah? So that is why I want to make sure that, for me, I think this stop loss is too wide. Okay, it's too wide. So I want something smaller. Okay, let's say something like this. You see this kind of stop loss. So if this market comes to this level, you see we are risking very little to make a big amount of money. So this is um 3.5 RR. What this means is that if I risk $1, I'm going to make $3.5. That's what this means. Okay. So let's just wait and see what happen next on this market. All right. So okay. See, this current market is actually reacting here. You see, this is the lower time frame, but the lower time frame also gave a good pattern. You see, the market was coming up. Okay, it was coming up, but what happened here? The market changed direction here, as if it was going up. It was going down. Okay, taking out this high, sorry, this low, this low, this low, and even this low. Okay, took it out, gave us a change of character here. Okay, but what happened again? The market came back to take this out, giving us a liquidity. Okay, giving us a liquidity sweep around this area. See, we have this liquidity sweep. Then we can actually use this as our change of character. Okay, so let me label that change of character liquidity sweep. Okay, the market sweep liquidity to the top side. Then we are expecting the market to actually come back into a fair value gap. Okay, so sometimes the market will not just go to a fair value gap, but the most important thing is what I do is, okay, so I'm going to teach you another strategy now. I'm doing this because I see you guys speak interest in the SMC strategy. So I'm just going to be showing you tips, okay? Some things that you need to know in case you later, get interested in having a one-on-one session with me. So you see, we have this fair value gap, but the market never got there, okay? But the most important thing is, if I want to get my premium and discounted zone right now, the market still went down on my premium zone. You see? So this is the 50%. Okay. This middle line is the 50%. We have 50, we have 50. Okay. So this is my premium zone and this is my discounted zone. Okay. My premium area, my discounted area. And what happened? The market went down on my discounted area. Okay. So what I do is sometimes Okay, sorry guys. Let's continue with our um, explanation. Let me continue. So you see, we have this fair value gap here, but the most important thing is I want to make sure that anything that happens in this area, I'm going to take my trade. All right. But you know, you have to refine it because you don't want a huge stop loss. Okay. So if I want to set my entry around this area, that since this is my premium area, when the market gets here, I want to, the markets to start going down. So my stop loss would be too huge. Okay. Then if I'm going to have a drawdown, then it's going to be big. You understand? So what I do is I have this gap. Okay. I have this gap. Then I have this other block. Okay. Because I also have this fair value gap. This is the second fair value gap. And then any candle that created a fair value gap is an order block. Okay. Any candle that created a fair value gap is an order block. So you see what happened. This is the candle that created. Okay, so sorry, this is the candle that created it. Okay, so you see, so this is what I do. Okay, I mark out my fair value gap and my order block. Okay, then I'll be looking for where the market will actually reverse from. And you see what happens. So let's delete our premium and discounted area. Let's delete that. Okay, so this is the kind of trades I take. So sometimes I'll just set my entry here. Okay, because this is where my fair value gap started from. All right, then my target will be this. The candle that created the fair value gap is another block. So above the candle, above the other block, I can actually set my stop loss. So my stop loss will be around this area. Okay. Then I'll target the low. That is the recent low, and this is the recent low. Okay. And you see how much that actually gave me. I can target this low, this, or this. So sometimes I'll use this as my, maybe here as my first take profit. So most time I'll target, if my take profit is here, I'll target 2.5. Okay. So this will be my first take profit. And you see the market actually took profit, but the market didn't trigger. All right. So this is my second entry. My second entry is from the fair value gap, the other block that created this second fair value gap. So my entry will be here. You see, my stop loss will still be the same thing. But you see, this is why sometimes I get a huge stop loss, right? My stop loss will still be the same. Then my take profit would be maybe to 2. All right. I'll still target the same risk to reward. That is 2 times of whatever I'm risking. So you see, and you see the market trigger, and the market has been coming down ever since. Guys, see the beauty of SMC. Look at the beauty of SMC. See, so this is how I make my analysis daily. All right. So if I'm not able to get one, I'll get the other one. All right. And you see, just few pips more for this market to TP. And I'm very sure the market is going to come down to TP. Okay. And this is the lower time frame. Right. This is the lower time frame. All right. So guys, you see, and wow, the 4-hour time frame actually gave us an entry also, because we have this. The 4-hour time frame, we have this liquidity sweep. Okay. So guys, let me give you another scope. I don't know, today I think I'm just having it. I'm sharing secrets. Okay. I'm just having it and sharing secrets. So we have this high. Okay. And this high actually gave us the liquidity sweep. Okay. So Whenever this high gets broken, then we have a change of character. Okay, if this high gets broken, then we have a change of character. And what happened? The high actually got broken. Right? You see, we have this high getting broken, and then that is our change of character. So now that we have a change of character there, what are we waiting for? We want the market to actually come down and give us an entry, okay, a sell entry, okay, sorry, a buy entry. So we have this fair value gap. I think it got filled or not. Okay, so this is the 4 hour fair value gap. Yes, this is the 4 hours fair value gap. And the market is actually kind of approaching the downside right now. Then I can actually do this. We can do this. Okay, place my buy limit here, targeting the low, and target this high as my take profit level. Right, this is the 4 hour time frame. Oh wow, I think I'm going to give this to my premium members. Yes, I'm going to give this to them. This is a wonderful, beautiful trade. Honestly, this is a very beautiful trade, guys. And you see the market is still going down. See, it's still going down. Yeah, I think this market just took TP. All right, took TP of this entry point. The way I've explained earlier. You see, I told you, I said the market is going to take TP, and you see what happened. The market actually TP'd. So you see, that is the beauty of SMC. All right, that is the beauty of SMC. This market has taken TP. Okay, it has TP'd here. The market has TP'd here. So let's just delete all of this. Okay. So we have all of that. So now let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, I want to see if that gap can actually be defined because it's touching this, and I know this is going to be used as an inducement level. Okay, the market is going to induce sellers, buyers. So there will be a lot of buyers here. Okay, there will be a lot of buyers here. Okay, there will be a lot of buyers here, and the market is just going to liquidate their account. Okay, we have liquidity sweep. So this is a liquidity zone. So the market is going to induce everybody on this area. Okay, it's going to come down here, induce everybody here, then go back into this zone. Right? So if I'm going to target and have TP a stop loss, this will be my entry point. Okay. So let's see if, okay. Okay, so we have this line. This would be our stop loss. And this will be my first take profit. This is about 1:2. Okay. First take profit 1:2. Then second take profit. So my guys on the VIP, I think our BTC, GBP, US, CAD trade is giving us good vibe. Today is Friday. Let's make money. Yes. Yes. What did I tell you? We sold. Yes. Oh boy, guys. Okay. VIP guys, please close your trade. If you are still on the trade, please take your take your close your position. All right. So I'm gonna be sharing the screenshot with this group. I want you guys to see what we did on the VIP. Guys, we just keep making money on the VIP, honestly. Okay? Guys, close your positions. Close your positions. We already made massive profit. We already made massive, massive, massive profit. Okay? Okay? Right? So let me share the picture with you guys. I dropped the okay, so let's go to the chart. I just want to show you guys. You see, this is where we took the trade from, and you see it's currently approaching our take profit. Yes, this is where we took the trade from. Okay, we had a little drawdown. The market is currently approaching our take profit level. And the reason why I took this trade is because we have a fair value gap on the lower time frame around this area. Okay, though it was around this area, that was why I entered from here. But the market still came down, came up. But I knew the market was going to go down. Okay, so let me just share the screenshot with you guys. You see all this thing I'm doing. I just want to ginger you guys. I want you to smell what we are cooking on the premium group. Okay, I want you to smell it. I want you to know what is going on there. So this is not a capping. All right, it's not capping. It's what we are doing. I'm telling you, our premium group get doings. So let me just show you what we were able to acquire today. You see? So guys, I hope you can see my screen very well. So this was the previous trade I showed you guys. Okay, this is GBP JPY, the one I showed you from earlier, and this is the one we took just around this afternoon before, just little few minutes before our live stream. Okay, so I took it around one. I sent the signal around 1:17 p.m. Okay, you see, and I opened three position with using 0.1, 0.1. Okay, $13, $13, 30, almost. This is about, I don't know, you'll be around 20 something dollars. Okay, if not, no, sorry, this should be around 30 something dollars plus. Okay, 30 plus dollars. Okay, together with this, guys. Merry making tomorrow. Merry making on Saturday. So guys, please come and join my premium group, okay, so that you'll be cashing out weekly too. Join premium group, let's cash out. You see this? This is what is going on the premium group, right? So you can ask anybody on my premium group. You can ask them. They will tell you what they are making. All right. Premium members, please share your results. Tell them this is from the premium group. Okay. We will use and tutorial them. All right. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue with our analysis. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. So you see, I made this analysis this morning and the market actually came back. Okay. The market was here. Okay. It was here, but I knew it was going to come back into this zone. And what happened? The market, you see, just gave a little tip into the zone and then start coming, falling to the downside. So guys, this is it. Okay. It is what it is. It is what it is. So if you want to make money the way we are making it, come and join our premium group. Okay, that is where the magic, the real magic is happening. Come and join my premium group where the real magic is happening. Okay, and then this will be my second TP. Okay, this will be around 3.0. Yes. So I don't want this to get into this fair value gap. Okay. So I want it to be around here. My first TP is 2.1:2. My second TP is 1:3. But I'm very sure the market is going to come here. Okay, because it's going to continue to go down also. So the market is going to come here. So this is it. You see how it was easy and easy to explain. Yes. So guys, please, no dulling, okay? No dulling, no dulling. Come and join the premium group. Let's make this money together. All right. You say I couldn't get an entry for us here. I couldn't get an entry, but we were still able to get entry on the premium group. The reason why you should join the premium group, aside the profit we are making, is because this 1 hour session is not enough. Okay, it's not enough to for you guys to make money. So that is why I'm not even giving out signal today, because I found out that anytime I give just one signal and the signal goes into loss, it's not going to make sense if we are not able to recover that signal for that day. So, but if you join my premium group, even though we lose a trade, we will still make it back with two trade and even make better profit. So guys, please fund your account with at least $10 or $15. Come and join my premium group. Let's make good money together. Okay, let's make good money together, please. You see, I'm the one begging you guys. I'm even begging you guys to come and make money. So that is it. All right, that is it. Let's try getting another trade. So I'm going to give this trade to my premium members. I'm going to give them a buy limit. So when this market gets to this area, it's going to buy and they are going to make money. So this is GBP, Euro, USD. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to go back to that. I think I have Euro. I think I have this also. So let's see. Yeah, we wanted to take this entry. You see what I said? You see what I said? The market has already induced. Okay, it's still inducing those people. So the reason why I don't want us to take this trade the other time is because the market is here. Okay, he wants to take those people out. So he's just going to move to the downside, going to make it look like he wants to sell for some times. Then he's going to take their stop loss out and continue to the upside. And you see, the market has been respecting everything I said. Okay, the market is doing everything I said. So guys, that is it. Okay, that is it. So let's look for another market um, we can make analysis on. So here we have this. This is the 5 minute time frame. Okay, liquidity sweep. Yes, we can use that as a liquidity sweep, or we can use this also. It doesn't matter. Okay, but this was the last low, so I'm using this as a liquidity sweep. Then I'll be using this as a change of character. Okay, my liquidity sweep and my change of character. And then I'm looking for where the market will actually get in from. So if you're an ICT trader, you can actually do this, drawing, just getting a snippet of, this is the 50%, okay, premium discount, okay. I want to sell, so I obviously want to take the trade from the premium zone, right? So where do we have? We have a gap here, okay, we have a gap here. We have this gap. So let's just draw it to the end in case the market goes back in there. We have this gap, but the gap is too far, yeah? So, and this is the 5 minute time frame. Then we have this other block that created these, all of these gaps, this fair value gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw from the other block, okay? So I'm going to do this, and then let's delete this. Let's take this out, okay? I'm going to do that and wait for the market to actually come back here. Okay, you see, this is how I make my analysis every day. All right, and then I'll be targeting this high as my resistance, as my stop loss area. So you see, okay, let's use the top one. That's my stop loss. And my target is 1:3.0. Okay, so you see, so guys, this is how to make analysis using the SMC. You see everything I've been doing, you see how they make sense, and you see how the market has been respecting everything I did. We took 3 trades yesterday, everything went into profit. The one we took this morning also gave us massive profit. So I'm still going to leave more signal for my premium members. If you want to be if you want to get into my premium group, go and fund your account with at least $10 or $15. So if you fund $10, you are going to be in my premium group for just 2 weeks. But if you fund up to $15, you'll be in my premium group for a whole 1 month. All right. So guys, let's do this together. Money day for forex. We will go back up. All right. So we've come to the end of this live session for this afternoon. Remember, we have another session coming around by 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay. So I'll see you guys on the evening session. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Bye for now.